about to do. For her shoot! Godly, for her shoot! What you pondering, Rage?
About to get this red fortress here in a minute. Gonna deal with Village, getting both of my armies together right now. I shouldn't have done that. I should not have done that. Yeah, I knew I pulled them in too early. Well, I lose them. That's okay.
Oh.
'Cause they weakened his army, which is fine by me.
Who the fuck is in our base?
That's fine too. That's that
Who
old
the
place.
fuck is in our base?
What do you mean?
Who
That
the
place I
fuck
just
is
took?
this?
Naturally.
That's just the guy I took their shit from earlier. It's fine. I didn't intend on keeping that place. I was just taking cover there to heal earlier.
No! The Grand Cathay are in our fuck!
Is acceptable.
Oh yeah, they are over
My
by your
privilege.
base, huh? Oh, I'm not at war with them.
Holy shit.
Bother someone else! Habru! Ta throng up, Gru!
Holy shit. Holy shit. This is not good.
Adrascha drung ital!
We got a problem. I am extremely nervous right now. Godly? Skeldis, this is not fucking good. Alright, they left. They left.
I concur.
Garistat uzda na azater!
I need to get production up. We need more money.
Stop pushing it. Rick! Fahashut!
Rage?
What?
What are you doing?
I am getting my forces together right now.
Alright, Rage,
That
you
army
see what's
died.
behind you? The bitch
Yeah,
is back.
they're coming back to get this Foundry of Bones back, so I brought everything back there to guard it for a second. Who's mad?
I'm getting forces together. It took a little bit to get shit going, but it's going now.
Sabarartun!
I'm good. There's not much for me to do this turn.
Yeah, I'm done. Quella, update on your situation. Quella? Uh-oh. See, Hampshire, isn't it entertaining a little bit? The chest? Hey, Rage.
He's attacking you.
I'm gonna... Fucker. Oh, damn it!
Wow, I thought he was gonna come try to get the Foundry of Bones back, but he went and took that shit.
Motherfucker!
Oh, he didn't take it. What did he do to it? Did he just
He
sack it?
sacked it!
What a piece of shit. I'm gonna chase. I might chase him.
Oh, damn it!
Oh, I guess you're right next to him, though. You can probably intercept him.
I don't have anything. I can come
Oh,
help.
that's not an army right there. Okay.
Kandma Abdanu!
Oh, and then I got Village right there. Fuck, man. I need to take some shit so I can get more money coming in.
We start the war with Grand Cathay.
No, don't. We have enough fucking wars.
God damn it!
The answer isn't to start a war with every single person surrounding you. This is what you did last time and it fucked us.
Double war. Triple war.
Pagrua Sardu!
Where's Kuema?
I don't know. He hasn't talked in a bit.
Oh, I've been on mute this entire time.
Oh!
Like, completely on accident. But hey, if you guys want to declare war on people and not drag me in, that's fine by me.
No one wants to go to war.
We have enough.
Well, I
'Cause you're
got my
starting wars
troops
with
building
everyone.
up.
What's the plan then?
I'll help you with wars, but